How to fix PS5 error code something went wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error code something went wrong, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been using your PS5 and then you're getting the PS5 something went wrong error code on your PlayStation console, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is basically, first of all, the something went wrong, any type of error code, it could be start from C or so on. There are a number of reasons for this PS5 error code, which are all related to internet connectivity. So one of the primary reasons is internet connectivity. First, just make sure that a PlayStation network connection is actually fine. So head over to your settings and then go to network and then just go to settings and go to setup internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is working just fine. If your Wi-Fi isn't working, just try to switch to a LAN cable. Network status, just make sure there aren't any issues there, as that problem can only actually be resolved by Sony if it's a network status. But if it's about an internet connection, you have to make sure to fix it yourself. Some of the things that you can do are simply trying to free up some storage over here. Once you free up some storage, try to simply go to this system software update. Make sure that your system of PS5 is also updated to the latest version, and last but not the least, just try to reboot your PS5 and you should be good to go from there onwards. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help me, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.